Healthy, shiny, and strong hair can transform the way you feel about yourself. But with so many hair serums on the market, choosing the right one can get confusing. That's why today we're breaking down the top 5 best serum for hair that help with dryness, frizz, damage, thinning, and split ends. Whether you want silky softness, more volume, or stronger strands, one of these serums will be the perfect match for your routine. So relax, stay with me till the end, and let's find the best one for your hair. Number 1. MAREE Serum for Hair. The Hydrating Hair Oil for Dry Hair by MAREE. This serum is enriched with argan oil, a powerful ingredient known for adding silky softness and natural shine. If your hair feels dry, dull, or rough, this serum hydrates your strands and makes them smoother and easier to manage. It also contains biotin, which helps make your hair feel stronger and more resilient. This formula is lightweight but deeply restoring, offering heat protection and smoothing benefits without making your hair greasy. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, this serum helps reduce frizz, soften split ends, and keep your hair glowing. MAREE focuses on premium ingredients, so every drop works to keep your hair hydrated and beautifully styled. Number 2. Karseell KS002 Serum for Hair. Next is the Karseell Argan Oil, known for its charming, subtle scent and natural formula. It's made from the kernels of the argan fruit, giving you a lightweight oil that absorbs quickly without making your hair feel oily. This product does more than improve your hair. It also nourishes your skin and nails, giving them a healthy, fresh glow. For hair, it helps repair breakage, soften rough strands, and restore shine. If your hair is brittle or damaged from heat styling, coloring, or dryness, this oil helps bring back smoothness and flexibility. Its natural composition makes it safe for everyday use and perfect for anyone wanting nourishment without heaviness. Number 3. Lanza 15203 E-Serum for Hair. A professional-grade treatment that repairs damaged hair from root to tip. This serum is designed to strengthen, detangle, smooth split ends, and provide UV and heat protection. If you struggle with frizz, breakage, or weak hair, this product gives your hair the reinforcement it needs. It also protects against humidity, helping your style last longer throughout the day. The formula is sulfate-free, gentle, and effective for all hair types. If you want smoother, glossier, and stronger hair with salon-level care, the Lanza Silk Serum is an excellent choice. Number 4. Briogeo 2632552 Serum for Hair. If you're looking to increase hair density and volume, the Briogeo Destined for Density Mega Strength Serum is a powerful option. This formula combines caffeine, biotin, and peptides to support stronger and fuller-looking hair. It's fast-absorbing, fragrance-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, making it perfect for sensitive scalps. With consistent use, your hair can appear thicker, healthier, and more voluminous. This serum is ideal for anyone experiencing mild thinning or wanting to boost their hair's fullness without heavy oils or buildup. Number 5. MONAT Serum for Hair. The final product is the MONAT IR Clinical Hair Thinning Defense Serum, designed to target the root causes of thinning hair. It features melatonin, caffeine, and D-biotin, a powerful blend that nourishes the scalp, stimulates hair follicles, and strengthens each strand from root to tip. This serum is lightweight, non-greasy, and reduces breakage while helping your hair appear fuller and more resilient. MONAT is known for its award-winning, vegan, sulfate-free formulas, making this a trusted choice for healthy and ethical hair care. If you want stronger-looking hair and support for thinning areas, this serum is a standout. If you want soft, shiny, smooth hair, choose MAREE Hydrating Hair Oil. If you want natural nourishment with a lightweight feel, choose Karseell Argan Oil. If you want damage repair plus heat protection, choose Lanza Silk Serum. If you want more density and volume, choose Briogeo Density Serum. If you want scalp support for hair thinning, choose MONAT IR Clinical Serum. Choose based on your hair goal, not just the product name. Thanks for watching. Healthy hair takes patience, but the right serum can make all the difference. If this helped you, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care reviews. Stay confident, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.